What we're gonna do is honestly something so fast and easy. I've got this new cake, a cookie cake. Action! Welcome, it's Halliday season, Halliday's goodies, Halliday holiday. The name of the series is TBD, so what am I supposed to say? But it's the first one. I really wanna introduce this new cake based on my miso chocolate chip cookie recipe. Yoko Ono said it's her favorite cookie she's ever had. Pete Wells of the New York Times, when he reviewed it for the New York Times cooking section. It is gluten-free, it's vegan, it's soy-free, so everyone can have it, and I'm gonna show you how. American buttercream is a very simple, very straightforward, very classic American flavor for frosting cakes. The basis of the recipe is 2 parts of sifted confectioner's sugar for every 1 part of fat. Let's do it. We're gonna paddle our fat, but before that, we're gonna sift the powdered sugar first in our little drum sieve here. I like to sift onto this parchment paper. It's literally just like, dump it. Next thing I'm gonna do is, this is a pound of this guy right here, this organic all vegetable shortening. So you definitely wanna get all of this fat in here. Paddle attachment. So I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna really make sure that this is heated up by the friction of the mixer. Let's go. Start on low and then move up. This is not what you want it to look like. No, 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 no. We're not ready. You wanna scrape this down and let this bad girl keep going for like several more minutes. This is where success happens. Okay, there are parts that are lovely and glossy and smooth. There are also still chunks inside of here. I'm gonna heat this bowl up. Et voila. This is looking pretty. It's nice and like glossy. Like it looks like frosting that you would want to eat already right now. Fantastic, really great job. Love the energy, keep it up. All right, cool, cool, cool. And I've got my sifted confectioner's sugar right here. I'm gonna add it a little bit at a time so it doesn't all floof out. Got vanilla at the ready, cocoa powder. We should sift this too actually, real quickie. It's a cup of cocoa powder. We're gonna use it all. You can use this. Just put a little bit in to start. It looks dry as hell. It's gonna come together. Don't stress. I'm just gonna put a little oat milk in there. I'm gonna start with about a 1/4 cup. Pour it in, turn it on. Oh, it's like a mud mask for the back of my hand. I mean, I'd like it to be a little more spreadable than that. It's a little lumpy. I'm probably gonna get the blowtorch out again. Nice. Take a look, see what we got. I mean, there's a lot of frosting here, a lot. Ooh, we didn't add any salt. We need to add salt. All baked goods, all baked goods need a little bit of salt at least. It really enhances the flavor of chocolate. So I'm really just gonna give it like a real look at that, a real generous pinch. And that much salt that I added is not gonna be too salty, I promise you. Yeah, see that look, you can see, look, it's glossy. You see that? It's glossy, it's smooth. It looks good. Stoops. It's good. It's delicious. Ready to party. I'm going to frost this cake. Let's just get ourselves set up for success. What I do when I do cakes, I tape my cake circle to my cake board. Et voila. And the first thing we're gonna do when we're gonna start is we're actually just gonna put a little bit of frosting here on the cake round. So I've got my piping bag. Open my piping bag. Just give this a little twist. Now I put it in my quart container. This is just gonna be for piping and decoration at the end, so we don't actually need like a ton of this. And we're just gonna squeeze it down. Cookie cake. So these are cookie cake layers. It's like a giant chocolate chip cookie. I'm just gonna spread this around slightly, and it's just gonna give the cake something to stick to. So I'm scooping with my portion scoop, leveling off with the side of my bowl so it's like nice and level. And I'm literally just gonna place these. Look how good that looks, right to the edge. Down. And I'm just lining this up here. 3 scoops. This one, we will take some of this frosting around the sides. This is a nearly naked cake, so it's a lot easier because I'm really just scraping back to the so you can kind of see the cookie, because I want people to see that there's like kind of cookie in there. So I'm gonna go cute on this, right? Designs may vary. But this is it, this is the cake. So the cookie cakes, they're available online. Link below, subscribe, like, comment, follow us on Instagram, also linked below. Gluten-free, vegan, soy-free. This would serve like 12. This is so rich. This is probably 2,000 calories per serving. Cookie cake, that's it. Thank you.